Hey friends, I'm Matin and I'm so excited to have you back on my kitchen. Today we're cooking up a dish that's not just delicious but also surprisingly simple. We're making gnocchi, those pillowy potato dumplings that are just so delightful. And the best part is the luscious brown butter and sage sauce that's gonna elevate this dish to a whole new level. So, if you're a gnocchi fan or just looking to try something deliciously different, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to catch all our future recipes. And now, let's jump right in and make some magic happen in the kitchen with our homemade gnocchi and that heavenly brown butter and sage sauce. Begin by boiling the potatoes with their skins on. It usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes for them to become soft and tender. After cooking, drain the potatoes and allow them to cool for about 15 minutes. Next, peel and mash them completely. Now let's make the gnocchi dough. Add egg yolks, flour, and salt to the mashed potatoes and gently incorporate them. Do not overwork the dough. Otherwise, it will result in a very tough gnocchi. Dust your work surface with flour. Then take 1/3 of the dough, sprinkle a bit more flour on top, and roll it into a log with a 2 cm diameter. Use a sharp knife to cut the dough into bite-sized pieces. Dust them with more flour. Then use the back of a fork or gnocchi paddle to create ridges on the surface. This helps the gnocchi adhere to the sauce later on. Bring a large pot of salted water to a gentle boil and drop the gnocchi into the water. Once they float to the surface, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, they're ready to be scooped out. For the sauce, melt butter in a skillet and then add crushed garlic and the sage. As we are making brown butter, let it cook slowly until the water in the butter evaporates and the milk solids turn golden brown, enhancing the aroma and flavor with a nutty richness. Add the boiled gnocchi and toss them together. Continue tossing for about 5 minutes on medium heat until they develop a light crust on the outside. Finally, season it with salt, ground black pepper, and lemon zest. Serve it hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese and some fried sage. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and see you next time.